morning. We are from Staines Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School, Class 5. This is our project on renewable energy, working model on solar energy.
Renewable energy is energy that is generated from natural sources that are constantly renewed.
When the sun's rays fall on the solar panel, electricity is produced through the solar cells using photovoltaic principle.
We use solar energy for cooking, solar water heaters in industries, for battery charging, etc. Using solar energy will reduce the electricity bills, less global warming, and improve public health.